हेलो मित्रों, वेलकम टू रैंडम यूनिवर्स। उम्मीद है आप सभी स्वस्थ होंगे। अनलॉक अ न्यू स्किल टुडे। लेट्स गेट योर हैंडस्टैंड जर्नी स्टार्टेड। सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक दिस वीडियो। Here are 4 steps to handstand. Follow them one by one. Mobility and flexibility, fear, strength and technique. Wrists must be flexible so as to make approx 90-degree angle with your palm and hand. As wrist has to bear all your body weight, stretch them before training and prevent injury. Second one is shoulder mobility. Lack of mobility leads to banana handstand. So for perfect handstand, shoulders must be mobile enough. Second step is fear. Fear is natural. So gain confidence by doing handstand facing the wall like this and hold for 15 seconds. If you cannot hold your body on hands, here are a few exercises. Step 3. Get strength for handstand. Push-ups, pike hold, elevated pike hold, pike push-ups and wall walks. Do minimum 10 strict push-ups. Pike hold for 15 seconds. Elevated pike hold 15 seconds. Do minimum 8 reps of pike push-ups. You can also do wall walks for better awareness and understanding. Step 4. Technique. Start with kick up. Focus on one point on the ground. Keep arms straight and palm and shoulders in a line. Now bring your dominant leg closer. Keep body like this. Kick up to the wall. Don't resist your body by arching your back. Keep it straight. And let whole body rotate towards wall. Now after achieving kick up, try to hold handstand with one leg. Bring one leg away from the wall and try to find balance. Press your fingers if you fall backwards and your palm when forwards. Shift weight from palm to fingers. Now try that with both legs. Make firm grip on the ground. Fully extend your shoulders. Bring your ribs inwards and downwards and your butt towards your ribs so that to attain posterior pelvic tilt. Keep that core tight. Point out your toes and now try to find the balance. Let's remove the wall now. Control your kick up. Not too short, not too hard. Kick up to your balance point. Try to adjust your form and correct it every time you try. Now for exit, simply bring your hand forward and rotate your body and land safely. All the best. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe this channel.